Hello everyone, I would like to tell you a few struggles faced by Amitabh Bachchan in his life. Amitabh Bachchan is born on October 11, 1942 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh, India. He is a son of well-known poet, late Harivansh Bachchan and Teji Bachchan. He completed his education from Uttar Pradesh and moved to Bombay to find work as a film star, but all his efforts went in vain, as filmmakers preferred someone with a fairer skin, and he was not quite fair enough. After completing his education, he moved to Kolkata to work for a shipping company in Shawales. Later, he moved to Bombay to struggle for a while to get his foot in the door of the Hindi film industry. The lanky, dark, and intensely brooding persona did not go down well with directors who were looking for wisecracking fair person, the trademark of the Indian hero in the 1960s. Bachchan struggled through many roles and was relegated at times doing voice overs, and in one instance he also played a deaf role. He broke through with Zanjeer, which was a blockbuster in 1973. His persona seemed apt for the post-emergency period, capturing the resentment of underemployed youth and the increasing cult of violence. Amitabh also tried his hands in politics in 1984 after the death of Miss Indira Gandhi, but he was defeated, the so-called Chanakya of the Indian politics. Although during this period his classic Mai Azad Ho and Agnipath were released, but Amitabh was getting older, so Amitabh decided to take a break in 1992, and Khuda Gawah was the last release. Then he launched ABCL, which was a multi-faceted commercial enterprises, but this was the major failure and he was surrounded by unthinkable debt. This hard to imagine at that time how he survived, but again he proved that he is not an ordinary man who lived and died. With Kaun Banega Krodpati and Mohabbatein, he redefined his position in Indian cinema. Even this age roles are written for him. Every filmmaker is declaring to cast him or in his or her film. He was declared a star of the millennium by a BBC poll and Stardust, and even at the survey for statue at Madame Tussauds. These are not a mere coincidence. One should learn a lot from Amitabh Bachchan. We should never give up until we reach our destiny. Thank you.